Hey there, fixers. So today I'm going to be working on a 2017 Subaru Impreza. How to turn off the pre-collision braking and the lane departure. Sometimes you want to turn it off when you're going in, like through car washes, because it tries to stop by itself. So this is how you do it. You want to go up here. Sometimes it has it up here, or sometimes it has it down here. Right here. So this is how you turn it off on like a 17, 18 Impreza or a Crosstrek as well. So you go up here on this car, you go up here and you press, let me focus on this, right there. So you press this this is the lane departure. You press it and hold it until it beeps and it appears over there that is off. And then you go right here for the pre-collision braking. You press right here again. You hold it. You're gonna hear a little beep and it's off again. All right, so that's how you do it. To turn it back on, you just basically hold those buttons again and it will turn back on. It will do another beep as well. All right, that's one beep. Two beeps, and they're off again. They're activated again. They're on again. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.